Good morning, children. How are you? I'm Naveen sir, your maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Yesterday we discussed about revision of algebra expressions and you done the exam. Today we are going to discussing about the new topic, that is understanding 3D and 2D shapes. Look at this, children. What is this paper? So it is in a geometrical shape, rectangle. So it has a, see, this is length, this is called a length, and this is called breadth. How many dimensions? It has a 2 dimensions. So if you are taking single paper, it has thickness? No. So it has only 2 dimensions, that are length and breadth, but it does not have thickness. So this, it is called a 2D shape. Now I am taking like this papers, group of bunch of papers I am taking. So here this is length and this is breadth, and we are getting here thickness. See this? So this thickness will called as a height or depth. So it is called a 3-dimensional figure. So look at here. This figure has 2 dimensions, length and breadth, but it does not have a thickness. So we can treat it as a 2 dimensions. So if you will take this type of papers, group of papers or bunch of papers, then you will get thickness. See, this is a length and this is a width, and this is a some, you will get a thickness. This thickness will count as a height. So this is a 2-dimensional figure and this is a 3-dimensional figure. Let us go for definition. Two D shapes. Which figures have 2 dimensions? The dimensions are like length and breadth, or base and height. Such type of figures are called 2D shapes. So, which figures have 2 dimensions? The dimensions are length and breadth, or base and height. Length and breadth are base and height. So here the examples of 2D shapes are square, rectangle, triangle. So we can take etc. So we can take the 2D shapes, for example, square, rectangle and triangle. Now look at these pictures. What is this? Square. So this is called length and this is called breadth. But in square, all sides are equal. So the square is a 2-dimensional figure. The square is a 2-dimensional figure. We will treat this is as a base and this is also height, and this is length and this is breadth. But in square, all sides are equal. So a square is a 2-dimensional figure. So a square is a 2-dimensional figure. What is this figure? Rectangle. Yes. Just now we discussed it using paper. So see this. It has a length and it has a breadth. So how many dimensions we have on this rectangle two dimensions. What are the dimensions? Length and breadth. Yes or not? Right. Next, look at this figure. What is this? Yes, triangle. So triangle also two dimensional figure. So this is, what is this? Base. What is this? Base. And what is this? Height. Height. A perpendicular line segment joining from your vertex to its opposite side is called as a height. Then triangle also two dimensional figure. What are the dimensions? Base and height. Base and height. Now we'll discuss about the 3D shapes. 3D. D means what? Dimensions. Nothing but edges, sides. So 3D shapes. The figures which have length, breadth and height. Height or depth. Such type of figures are called 3D shapes. So the which figures have length, breadth and height. Length, breadth, height or depth. Depth. So height or depth will treat as the same. So which figures have length, breadth and height, then this type of figures are called 3D shapes. 3D shapes. For example, 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, etc. These are the examples for 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. So these are the 3D shapes. Let us discuss about the 3D shapes. First, cube. Cube. Look at this here. What is this picture? Here, cube. So it is a cube. A cube has all faces are squares. A cube has all faces are square faces. See, and all edges, sides are equal. All edges, sides are equal. So in cube, all edges are equal. So cube have all square faces. Square faces. The cube has all square faces. So now here, look at the picture. These are the examples of cube: dice, ice cubes and choppis box. These are the examples of cube. So now let us discuss this cube has how many faces, how many edges, nothing but sides, how many vertices, nothing but corners. So faces, edges, vertices. Faces, edges, vertices. So look at this cube like this. Top and bottom. How many? Two. Top and bottom are faces. Two faces. And Lateral faces are how many? 4. Look at this. 1, 2, back side 3, and this side 4. These two, front and back 2, and these two sides 2, 4, and top and bottom 2. 4 plus 2 how many? 6. A cube has how many faces? 6 faces. 6 faces. Now edges. Edges nothing but sides. So now count the sides. See here. First count the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many edges are here? 4. And bottom also 1, 2, 3, 4. Top 4 sides edges and bottom also 4 edges. 4 plus 4, 8. Now let us here lateral. 1, 2, this side 3, and this side 4. Top 4 edges, bottom 4 edges, and lateral 4 edges. Total how many edges? 12 edges. 12 edges. Now next, vertices, nothing but corners. See, look at here. First, top corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bottom, top, and top here. How many corners are there? 4. Nothing but 4 vertices. And look at here. Bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So top has a 4 corners, 4 vertices, and bottom also 4 vertices. Then 4 plus 4 how many? 8 vertices. So here a cube has a 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Second, cuboid. Now we will discuss about the cuboid. Look at the diagram. What is this? Cuboid. So here in cuboid, all edges are different. All edges are different. A cuboid has faces. All faces are look like rectangles. See this? Rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle. So it has all edges are different. All edges are different. It has rectangular faces. It has rectangular faces. It has rectangular faces. So look at this here. This is a cuboid. Every edge is different, and the face of a cuboid are rectangular face. Now we have to find out the how many faces, edges, and vertices. Before that, look at the picture. These are the examples of cuboid: matchbox, eraser, and brick, and packing box. Look at them. All are in faces are rectangular faces. So these are all examples of cuboid. Now let us find out the how many faces, vertices, edges. Faces, edges, vertices. So here, look at the picture, look at the diagram. How many faces we have to identify? Top one and bottom. Top and bottom two faces. And lateral 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this 4 faces, and top and bottom 2. Total how many faces? 6 faces. So a cuboid has how many faces? 6 faces. Now edges. It is nothing but sides. Now let us count the sides. Top. First count the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many edges it has? 4 edges. And bottom also 1, 2, 3, 4. Top and bottom 4 edges. Nothing but total 8 edges. Now let us count these lateral. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So like this 4, top 4 and bottom 4. 4, 4, 4. Total 12 edges. Total 12 edges. Now vertices, nothing but corners. So now look at the corners here. Top 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners and bottom also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Top 4 corners and bottom also 4 corners. We are getting here any corners? No. These are the flat. So how many corners are? How many vertices are there? 8. So here 4 vertices and here 4 vertices. Total 8 vertices. So a cuboid has a 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Homework problems on 3D and 2D shapes. First one, define 2D shapes with examples. And second one, define 3D shape with examples. Third one, find the number of faces, edges and vertices for cube and cuboid. So, a cube and cuboid, how many number of faces, edges and vertices we have to write. Fourth one, give some daily life examples where you observed shapes of cube and cuboid. You should disturb that. Thank you. Keep watching. Stay safe. Stay at home.